I can't do it, damn it.
Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is xKiLLz Viper, and today I am here with the retarded dogfish. We're gonna be playing some more white noise since he wanted more. Alright. This time we up.
That intro?
This time we up the difficulty. Alright, we're going on normal. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, it wasn't hard enough.
You're gonna be a bit laggy in the video, but it's okay, right?
If it's the same one, we're ending it. Oh, okay. Oh no! I hate this map!
Why?
Oh god, it's the worst. Because every word map is so big. No, that's big and long and hard. My dictionary.
Oh. I can't find you.
Oh, green turd. I know you're behind me. I can see your flashlight peeking through me.
Peeking through? Whoa.
Green turd.
Hey, go hug it.
Okay.
Oh, I swear to God.
I was about to.
There's a tape here.
I should just touch it and see what happens. Oh yeah, there is one here, I remember.
It's on the,
Where's a different one?
it's on, no, it's on the side with the angel.
These are like dog ladies, what are you talking about?
Oh.
Yes, they're angels. What? There's usually one here.
Interesting. This is a really big map too, so we got really
Really dumb. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, there's a glitch where you can run up a tree.
What?
Yeah, there's a glitch where you can run up a tree on this one.
Where? Oh, dude, I want to do that.
Cause like if you keep
Because,
running in, right there. Oh no, that's a hand. Oh my God. Okay.
What's good? But anyways, creepy noises out there. Go over to the hand. What are you doing? You look so retarded. You're like, dude, this is how you look. This is like, no. What? You don't. Look at me. Just
Oh, I did it! See, I'm on. I'm up the hand.
I'm doing it! I'm below you! You jerk! Bye. Looks like we're both here.
Alice, look behind you.
I'm behind you. Or you're behind me.
Yeah.
You're in front of me, I mean. I'm in front of you. Or behind you. God,
No,
I can't talk!
You were in front of me.
I was not.
Oh, you're a dickbag. Oh, there's a tape on it too.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about.
Take it. Don't take it. Okay.
Dude, we should just be safe and climb up on the tree. What if he couldn't get us? Oh my God.
He can, I bet. Why are you looking at me? You're so creepy.
Oh, Jesus. Climb up the tree.
That little scream. Put that little scream out. Yeah!
You can get us now.
Yeah, just look at the hand. Don't even.
Oh, I fell.
I see you.
You can't get us now. Little bitch. Oh my God, he's coming. He's behind us. Look behind us. He's right there.
I'm not looking.
He's looking at us on the tree.
This is not a tree.
It is now. Alright, let's use it really go. Oh, he grabbed me. Oh, he took me.
Not getting me.
Oh.
He's not getting me. This is my strategy. He's not getting me. Just look at me if you find me.
Bro. I mean, you are Jesus. Or I am.
I see you going through me. Your name's Blue now. What the heck?
Cause I'm a real G.
I hear him like smelling.
He's like,
Literally, that's. Dude, how did he kill me?
cause he likes you. That's not fair. I'm like a skull looking dude. Fuck Krusty Krab. What? Come here. Oh, I think. Oh, you're right there. Jump down.
Where?
Walk forward. Walk forward.
I am. I already was.
Get down.
I am walking forward.
Get down.
I don't want to.
You don't just. You'll be fine now.
I will hug the green turd. I will hug the green turd.
Fine. It's better than. It's better.
Okay, yep, I'm hugging him. Bye.
I'm following you.
Hugging the green turd.
I'm
Stop
faster than you.
Yeah, because my stuff doesn't let me run.
Hang on, turn around. I want to see what happens if I like walk into you or something. Maybe it's like a super
Just go right
glitch.
through me.
Maybe it's like a super glitch. Let me look at your eyes. Let me look into your eyes. Let me look into your eye, Billy. Billy.
You look so stupid.
You look stupider.
Stupider? Is that even a
It is now, bitch.
Yeah, you're gonna like go for somewhere
Smack
and
that.
make stupider a word.